Hello student, today we are going to learn AutoCAD stretch command. This command elongates or stretch of the object partially enclosed, partially covered by the window selection. Okay, stretch command shortcut S, enter. Okay, now we learn stretch command with some example drawing. This is a rectangle of 100 millimeter length and 80 millimeter width. If we use stretch command, we select cost selection. C1 is the first point, C2 is the next point, opposite point, and base point is the P1, and we move P1 to P2. Then object increase in this way. Now we type stretch command shortcut S, enter, or in ribbon, this is the icon of stretch command. We type S for stretch command, select object, we select in this way. This is the first point, this is the next point, Windows cost selection, we select in this way. Okay, next enter, specify base point. This is the base point. Specify next point. This is increase in this way. This is increase in this way. P1 to P2. Okay. Again, we use stretch command S, enter, select object, window selection, first point and opposite corner, enter, specify base point. If this is the base point, if we increase 100 millimeter length to 125, then we type second point just 25, enter. It is increased to 125. This is the width 80 millimeter. If we increase to 100 millimeter, then we type S, enter, select object, select in this way, first point and opposite corner, enter, specify base point, ortho is on, specify second point, we just type 20, enter. Now it is 100 and this is 125. Okay, second example, this is a rectangle with opposite corner, joint opposite corner. If we select the object in this way, this is the C1 is the first point, C2 is the opposite corner. This is the cos selection, and P1 is the base point, P2 is the second point. Now it is increased in this way, Now we type stretch command shortcut S, enter, select object, this is C1, specify opposite corner, this is C2, enter, specify base point any of P1 point, any point, ortho of, we increase in this way, second point P2 is in this point, any suitable point. Now it is increase, just increase this portion. Okay, now example 3, this is a arc. If we select in this way first point C1 and second point opposite corner C2 and base point P1 to P2, the P2 is the second point, then this curve is increased in this way. First we type stretch command S, enter, we select in this way, specify first point, this is C1, specify opposite corner, this is C2, enter, specify base point, this is the P1 base point, any point, specify second point P2, this is P2, specify second point, this curve increase in this way. Okay, now if this curve we select C1 and C2 and base point P1 and P2, this curve increase upper direction, we type stretch command shortcut S, enter, select object C1, specify opposite corner, this is C2, enter, specify base point, this is P1, specify second point, this is P2. Now curve is in this way, increase in this way. Okay, now if we select this curve in this way and this is move in this way, this is the base point. Now type stretch command shortcut S, enter, select object, this is C1, this is C2, enter, specify base point, specify second point. Okay, curve is length is decreases, the radius is decreases in this way. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.